And alright, and we're back with VS Code. Okay, so we have to get used to how to use VS Code. So I'll do this one more time in a different way. So I'm gonna create a new file and follow along if you can. Pause the video whenever you get stuck where I'm going too fast. Alright, so I'm gonna click new file, select the language. I'm gonna do HTML. Okay, and then you can close this welcome screen. And then I'm gonna do save, or you can press Control S on Windows or Command S on Mac. I'm just gonna put Command X. Alright, and then I'm gonna name this HTML heading .html. Make sure you put this .html so make sure it saves as an HTML file. And I'm just gonna save it on desktop, save. Alright, that looks good. I'm gonna just quickly type up the general structure that we need. Okay, you can skip through the video for this part. I'm just setting up how it should look. Heading demo. And then body. Alright, and now we're gonna type, make sure all the things that we're learning right now is gonna go in between the body tags. And make sure that when you type, it has this much space. Okay, so body, so we're gonna do H1 is our biggest heading. Biggest heading. And then let's try H2. Still big, but not as big. And then let's try H3. I guess it's big. And H4. We're just gonna use all of the heading tags. Getting small now. H5. Oh no. We are small. And then H6. We are so small. I should output. We are the smallest. And I'm gonna run this. So I'm gonna go back to my desktop. And I'm gonna find, this is the file that we just worked on. Just double click, and there it is. We have the biggest heading. Still big, not as big. I guess it's big. Getting small now. Oh no, we're small. We're the smallest. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Alright. Sounds good.